guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make my lotion. So I have a emulsifying wax here, and then we will measure it. I need 30 grams. So guys, as you can see, I poured the wax here already and have 30 grams on it. So I'm gonna add next is coconut oil. So we'll need 50 ml. Make sure I got it right. 50 ml. So I'm gonna pour it here. Okay. So guys, now I'm going to put this in a boiling water so we're looking for it to melt. So I will add next the shea butter. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon to the emulsifying wax and coconut oil. Very sticky. Oops. Okay. Okay, so to this we're gonna add the almond oil, sweet almond oil. I need 40 ml. Okay. So I'm going to remove this from the heat, and then I have water here, 600 ml. It needs to be reheated. So we have to, when it's hot enough, not boiling. So we're gonna add next rose hydrosol, 50 ml to the hot water. Alright, we're gonna check again the temperature, see reach the right temperature. Oops. Okay, this is good enough. 140, 150. So we're gonna add now the emulsifying wax, the oils. Okay, I'm going to remove the mixer, and then I'm going to turn off the stove. Okay guys, I will let this one cool and start blending until the room temperature reaches the room temperature. So that's what we need. Alright, so we're gonna add next ingredients. I'm gonna add vitamin E. So I'm gonna put half teaspoon of vitamin E. You know what's vitamin E, right? Moisturizer. So next ingredients, I'm gonna add a grapefruit seeds extract. To this, I'm going to add 2 ml. Oops. So the grapefruit extract, it will help to preserve the lotion. That's 2 ml there. It's also antimicrobial. Good stuff. So I'm gonna add another preservative. This is natural. The name is yogurt. I'm gonna add a little 2 drops in this. Todd. Oops. And then I'm going to add my favorite Fifth Tide. This is help my wrinkles go away. That's it's because I'm matured, so my favorite is essential lavender. So I'm gonna just drop. I need 5 drops in the lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm gonna blend. Okay, so now it's ready to transfer into my lotion jar. So I did sterilize this lotion jar, so I'm gonna pour in the temperature right now. It's a little warm, but we need to pour in the the jar before it becomes thicker, because it gets thicker. The cooler it gets, it will get more thickened. So it's pretty. Okay, so the extra you can put in the storage, and I have for a couple more months to use. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it on my skin. Look at that. Smells so good. So if you like this video, please subscribe and comment below if you think, if you have question. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.